Hello viewers, welcome back to the lab. This is going to be a short video giving you an update on the Quantel HAL that I restored, and there's also an event coming up that I want to tell you about. So first off, the Quantel HAL. As you saw in my previous video, I got this working and everything seemed to be fine with it. I was really quite pleased. Now unfortunately, in the weeks that passed from there, it has developed a fault. And it means that I'm unable to record real-time video from an external source. I can generate video internally, I can do all of the things that I should be able to do, but I just can't get new video footage into this. There's a fault somewhere on the video paths that bring real-time video in from the digital input ports on the back and then pass it all the way through and record to the DL. It's going to take a little bit of time to figure out where that fault is, because recording real-time video like that actually involves quite a few cards. So what would happen, the digital video would come in onto a card in the top of the machine, that would then pass to the video input card. From the video input, it goes through the router card to the main store card, and then from the main store, it then goes back through the router again, back to the video input card, and then ends up at the disk link and interface cards, which then send it to the DL. So it's a bit of a convoluted path that video has to go through when you tap record and record a video clip. So it's going to take a little bit of time to try and go through the cards and try and figure out exactly where the fault is. But the net result is I'm unable to record real-time video. It works for a few frames of video, and then it all just falls to bits, and it's just junk video. So unfortunately that is the case. Now this is not going to stop me taking this to a really cool event that's happening here in the UK. It's called the Retro Computer Festival. It's at the Centre for Computing History, which is a museum in Cambridge. This event happens every year, and it involves a load of people coming together and bringing along their weird retro old computers, weird electronic things, and just showing them off. It's a great forum for everybody to have a chat, learn about new old bits of technology, and all that good stuff. So I'm going to be taking the Quantel HAL there, which is a bit of a first for me. I've normally taken a Quantel paint box and demonstrated that, but given this is the first time I've had a machine that can do real-time video, I thought it'd be nice to take that along, even though this dates from the 90s. It's a rare opportunity to see how video production was made in the 1990s, when you didn't really have access to things like Photoshop, After Effects, and all the modern editing tools that we have nowadays. So the Quantel HAL is going to be there. I'm going to be able to demonstrate its animation facilities and various other features inside. I just won't be able to record real-time video. So a slight downside, but I can easily get around that. So if you want to come along to this event and see the Quantel HAL and meet me and have a look at the machine and have a go on it, and learn a little bit more about Quantel, you're welcome to come along. The event is on the 9th and 10th of November at the Museum for Computing History in Cambridge. I'll put some details down in the video description about where it actually is. I would recommend booking tickets, because it does get busy and there is a capacity limit on the museum, and we have often seen queues of people outside that can't get in because the museum is up to capacity and they can't allow any more in. So I would recommend booking a ticket. There is also a load of other really cool machines there that I'm sure you'll, if you like seeing a lot of the Quantel stuff, I'm sure there's other stuff there that you're going to be interested in. So check out the links, book your tickets, and hopefully I'll see you in November. Bye for now.